Hi, Malvin Lim here of GreattoysOnline.com, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of one of the craziest toys during the 1970s tokusatsu super robot craze in Japan. This is the Bullmark Gasshin Deluxe DX set. This is one of the heaviest and one of the bigger sets that was released during the 1970s. So basically, this is the box the item comes in. It's some collectors claim this is the forerunner of the more modern, full-colored, very detailed, very flashy, very colorful box. The box comes in a few different variations. One variation has, I think, the Bullmark logo. This variation I have has the Gasshin logo. So this is the front of the box. And basically, this is the side of the box. It shows some of the gimmicks that the toy has. This is the bottom of the box, which shows 6 different transformations that you can form on the toy itself. And this is the side of the box, shows some of all of the accessories that's included in this set. So basically, what is this series? This is one of the tokusatsu series that came out during the late 1970s. The story of Tendo, which is, if I'm correct, is a young journalist, and then masquerades as a boy. And when the alien invaders comes to attack Earth, he would reveal his true identity to fight the villains, basically in a tokusatsu way. And he comes in a costume. Then he would call up his giant robot, which is actually Daibaron, once the villain becomes giant size, just like the rest of the Power Ranger and other tokusatsu series. So basically, Bullmark funded the animation. I'll attach a clip of the animation now for you to see. So basically, Bullmark funded the animation. They would sell the toys so the toys would pay up for the cost of the animation, for the cost of the ongoing tokusatsu series. So by the end of the 1970s, Bullmark manufacturer basically went bankrupt, and the rest is basically. So for collectors, this Bullmark Daibaron set is one of the craziest sets that came out because of the sheer weight of the set. It's made of very heavy die-cast metal, very solid die-cast metal, and basically Daibaron means Great Baron in Japanese. So the set comes with 3 sets of missiles, couple of saw blades here, missiles. The missiles looks like the missiles for Combattler. Some of the attachments. So this is the carb. The Daibaron, basically the series. If you after watch the video that I attached, it's basically comprises of 2 separate vehicles, an air vehicle and a land vehicle, and they would combine to form Daibaron. If the robot is more of color silver and gray, instead of red, but for the deluxe set they colored it red. They did release a Daibaron ST standard size robot that's non-transforming. That robot comes in gray color. So basically this toy is utterly crazy for its sheer weight and size. This is the main body. The main body already weighs 400 grams. These are the legs. This is the other part. This is the other body. Then basically the main die-cast body parts weighs 1.1 kilograms. That's how heavy this toy is. Doesn't even, I mean, the other parts is more or less plastic parts, so that won't affect much the total weight. So back to the toy itself. Bullmark tried to push their engineering might, try to go up against Bandai, etc. But in the end, Bandai and its subsidiary, basically during the 1970s, Popey, really produced much more highly engineered and smarter toys. Bullmark was more of for this one was more of the stacking toy. Mekanda DX was pretty good, but it was basically just attaching the arms, attaching the legs, and then attaching the head, and that was it. So this was more of a heavy die-cast brick rather than a complex engineering toy like what Popey Bandai did during the 1970s and early 1980s. So basically this robot would be an easy stacking, connects to each other part by magnets. So easy magnet here, an easy magnet attached here, then left and right legs here attached by magnets. Then now here are the feet. Bullmark is more well known for its vinyl toys, and I think they also made a couple of tin toys also during the 1970s. So to go up against Popey Bandai, they went into the die-cast toy business, and this is one of the examples of die-cast products they produce. The funny thing with Bullmark is some of their toys would have metal blades coming out with spring-loaded blades, pointy metal parts like this one here. This one is solid metal parts here, so kids can really get injured playing with these toys. So here has a missile launcher here. This is the other part to form the jet. So basically that's how simple this toy is. So example, if I'm going to form one of the forms here, the jet form, it would be basically, this will be as simple as lying the main body on its sides, attaching the jet projectile, the jet part, then inserting the front part, then attaching the rear wing, then slotting in the head. Now we have the jet mode, the first vehicle. The second vehicle here, so it's basically, I detach the legs. The legs can fall down depending on the height required by the transformation. So based on the picture, because this set of mine doesn't have a manual, basically this is just as simple as slotting the main body here, attaching the legs to the side, attaching the legs to the side. This has a bit of tank treads on the bottom. Then we have the tank turret on the top. So now we have tank mode for the second Daibaron vehicle. Then it's a matter of attaching the missiles, attaching some of the other attachments. So here it says that I get these saw blades things, or are they wheels? I don't know. Just attach them on the side. Then the craziest toys during the 1970s tokusatsu super robot craze. I'm Malvin Lim of GreattoysOnline.com, and thank you very much for watching this video.